We had a lot of math tests, and in reading, we read nonfiction with our nonfiction book buddies. Have a nice weekend.
This week we did a lot of math testing. In writing, we started learning about essays. In reading, we read nonfiction. Have a good weekend.
This week we had a snow day. We had a snow day on Tuesday. We read a lot of nonfiction, and we started writing essays. I'm writing an essay about my grumpy. We also started Jump Rope for Heart. And we had lots of math tests, which meant no math homework except for studying.
We had a snow day and we're learning how to write essays. We had 2 math tests and we have a spelling test and I got 22 out of 22.
We had 2 math tests, big time. We started writing essays about big ideas and also wrote about who was special to you. We read nonfiction. We had a snow day on Tuesday, and sadly Mr. Carr was out sick on Wednesday. We just started our Jump Rope for Heart. Have a good week.
This week we had 2 math tests, but we did have a snow day to make up for it. Have a good weekend.
This week we did a couple math tests. We did our Unit 4 test and a mid-year test. We also started essays a while ago, and we're still doing them. We also had reading nonfiction, tackling hard texts, and we had a snow day Tuesday. And we're all doing a random act of kindness.
This week we did 2 tests, a math test and a mid-year test. We also did essays for somebody special to us. I wrote about my mom. We also had a snow day on Tuesday, and we talked about an act of kindness. For an act of kindness, I'm going to say hi to somebody I don't know. We also did more nonfiction reading in our book groups. I started reading The White Jaguar. We also raised money to help heart disease. What we did was called Jump Rope for Heart.
We took a big math test. We also had no math homework, and we started essays about someone who was special to us. We had a snow day, and some people in our class have raised some money for Jump Rope for Heart. Have a good weekend.
This week we took 2 math tests. We also started essays, and we had a snow day. Have a good weekend.
We had a snow day. We had a writing essay and reading nonfiction and doing a random act of kindness.
We had a lot of math tests, and also we started essay writing and nonfiction reading, and also we had a snow day on Tuesday.
This week we started writing essays to special people in our lives. We also started reading nonfiction. Our books are Tigers, about the Civil War, and Don't Try This at Home.
This week we had a lot of fun stuff, like Jump Rope for Heart and 3 tests.
We had 2 tests, mid-year test and Unit 4 test. We talked about what makes a good free writer, and we're learning how to write an essay.
Big math test. On Tuesday we had a snow day. Right now we are having a science test.